Mama? Where's Mama?
Where's Mama?
Yeah. There's Mama. Say hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Hey, Viv.
Mama.
That way to Mama.
Yeah.
You got to me. Hey, Viv, how was your bike ride?
Bike.
Do you like bikes?
Yeah.
Say, I like bikes.
I like that.
What are you wearing on your head, Viv?
Can you say helmet?
No.
Good.
Does Daddy have a helmet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What color is Daddy's helmet?
Red.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty, huh?
Red bike.
More bike?
More bike. Why don't we take a rest for today and make dinner? And we'll do more tomorrow, okay? It's getting cold. Tomorrow maybe it'll be warm.
No, no, no. No, take that.
Say thanks for the ride, Dad.
Don't take.
You're welcome.